Hi, this is Jess.
And this is Rachel.
Welcome to the
EP 401 IT
Help Desk.
Hi, this is Rachel from the EPCU SD 401 Help Desk. And this is a screencast to go along with our second training on Google Sheets. Specifically, I'm going to be looking at the Data tab and talking about how you can use sort and filter in order to see the exact data in the exact order that you would like. So let's start with how you use the sort tool. So to sort, it's only used for if you're trying to sort something alphabetically from A to Z or from Z to A. If you're sorting alphabetically with numbers, it'll just put it in numerical order. So in order to sort, you're going to select the column that you would like to sort. So if I want to sort by gender, I want to see all the females and then the males. I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to go to the Data tab, and then I'm going to select Sort Sheet by A to Z. And then you'll see that that's what it does. There's only two females and a lot of males in this sheet. Oh, sorry, just kidding. I wasn't all the way up. There's a lot of females and a lot of males. It's about half and half. I was wondering why that was. All right. So then let's say that I want to be able to sort by gender. So I want it to still be females and males, but then I want it to be alphabetical. So I want to alphabetize all the names. Looks like maybe it already has done that for me, but let's say it hadn't. What I would do is I would select the two columns that I'd like to do, and I can do that by choosing the two columns and then using the shift, holding down shift and selecting the second column. And I'm going to go back to data, go to sort range, and then what I'm going to do, I'll put the headers. I'm going to first sort by student name maybe, and I'm going to add, and then I'm going to sort by gender A to Z. So first student names alphabetically, then gender. I'm going to sort. What you'll see is it has alphabetical by student names and then by gender. If I wanted to do it the other way, I could do that. And it'll come up. So that's one way if you want to use alphabetical order in order to see your data. But you may also want to be able to see only select things at the same time. And to do that, you can create a filter. So to do a filter, you can do that two ways. Again, you can go to data, filter, or you can come over here to the ribbon and you can click on this filter views. When you do that, you're going to create new filter. You can title your filters that help you remember. So you might say only females. Let's say that what I want to be able to see in this view is I only want to be able to see the females. I don't want to include any of the male responses. So to do that, I would go over to the gender tab. I would click here, and you see that there's two selections, both female and male, and that's because I have both of them viewed right now. I'm going to unselect male, and that then will mean that I only now am viewing the females on the sheet. But let's say I don't just want to see the females, I also want to see only the females who have English as their major. So I'm going to unselect art, math, and physics, and say okay. And now you see I can see that just that group of students in my set of data. I could do additional filters. I can remove filters by just going back and then selecting all again. What's important to note is when I have this view on, only I can see it. Anybody I'm sharing this sheet with can't see it. It's also important to note that even when I clear out, it'll then go back to the original data. But if I want to go back to my data, I can go to only females and it'll bring that data back for me. So that's a view that it saves in the sheet for me so that I can go back and forth and toggle back and forth between different views if that is helpful for me. Some people use this if they want to do one form for all of their classes for filling out a form, and then they can use filter to be able to see just per class. Hopefully that helps. If you have any additional questions or you want to contact us, you can do so at our website, tinyurl.com/EP401tech.